What's up guys, it's me Cheerful Chewey. Today I'm doing a vlog. And I decided to show you what my room actually looks like, guys. So yeah, let's show you guys what my room looks like. Yeah, it's my bed. Yeah, and that's my poster. If you saw my favourite program video, you know that he was in there. I also like that Star Wars, and I have two, I believe. Look at that, see it guys? That one, yep. And then look at that one, the same. And of course I've got my TV. Interesting. Lights up. Let me just show you guys. Yeah, lights up. So yeah, my room, and yeah, it's my room, and yeah, it's kind of cool. And yeah, I haven't done a video in so long, so yeah, I thought I'd do this. In my last video, for Choose the Moon on Minecraft, what I did was I wrote on the sign, Stampy Long Nose, but I realise now his name's Stumpy Long Head. Yeah, which is weird. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you in the video I'll be posting later on.